Hi, I'm Rachel, and you're on my channel. And I'm a professional trader with 3 years of experience. And I show my trading in my videos, and I speak about interesting, profitable strategies for trading by absolutely easy ways. The idea of strategies consists of selection of indicators and oscillators, and it's combination trading. So if you're a beginner in this field, this video and this channel is obviously for you. So please watch the video till the end and see for yourself. And we finally go to the trading. So let's go to our trading. Already picked out currency pairs with the most profitable percentage. Yeah, already made an analysis. We're gonna start with $200 and we'll open deals as usual in 1 minute time frame. And the main factor for today is oscillator. Yeah, let's pick them out. I'll add MACD but change the period. I'll put the period 5, period 7, and period 10. Yeah, moving average of MACD will also change. Let's put it more green in color, yeah, and the signal line will be red in color. Wait a second, it must be period 10, yeah. And then we'll leave everything by default, and I will add stochastic to period 10 and yeah, nothing else. And to help me, I'll add a couple of oscillators. Maybe it will be zigzag with absolute default settings and fractal. We'll focus on renewals of local highs and lows that fractal and zigzag gonna show to us. Yeah. As you see, fractal shows it more often and zigzag less often. So less watching the dynamic of the movement, and the main aspect here will be oscillators. Exactly the exit of moving average of stochastic, yeah, and signal line from oversold and overbought areas. And we also look at volumes MACD and its histograms and behavior of moving averages and the signal line too. Yeah, I think we can start, and let's pick out the first trade entry. And during my trading, I can say with confidence that you will know how to trade correctly using these oscillators. And I will say that again, an important thing that today we use oscillators in trading. So yeah, here we go. Let's begin and pick the first currency pair. Let's open the deal to raise the price here. It's downtrend and I'm ready to wait to the pullback. Okay, let's select the workspace. As I said, the main thing is oscillators. Yeah, exactly. We see the appearance of green histogram and intersection of signal moving average of MACD from top to bottom, and it's a sign to open the deal to raise. We see intersection to stochastic from oversold area, and we also see renewal of zigzag local low, and in general we must see renewal local high here. So what must happen? I think the dynamic of the movement must go up. Last seconds of our deal, first deal, yeah, and signal was pretty good. We did everything so quickly and found interesting trade entry right away. So yeah, let's change the trade value. And I want to remind you, we saw double intersection, yes, so I think you got what the main aspect was. If you don't see that, I'll explain you one more time. I will select the workspace. According to MACD, we open the deal to raise. It's axis from oversold areas, stochastic, yeah, it's one of the signals, and intersection of moving average to MACD from top to bottom, signal moving average, and then we need to pay attention to renewal local low, and we open the deal to lower. We look at local highs firstly. Yes, so I think it's super easy strategy, especially for beginners. These oscillators are very useful for using, and of course technical analysis is needed to understand, and definitely using this strategy we can name it as a strategy. Yeah, you can finally You can finally open the deal either into correction or price pullback and with a trend or against the trend and in flat, whatever. Yeah, this strategy is unique and let's continue the trading. And guys, I want to distract you a little from watching this video because I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel because almost more than 70% of my audience watch the video without subscription, and I'm really offended because I do really useful content and share really useful information with you there, and I need your support. So right now, go below the video, click like and write comments, and I'll also have a Telegram group. So if you have any questions, just write me them. You can find the link on the header of my profile, and I will be very pleased to if you come by to my open trading group, and it will be better if you subscribe me there. I share my lifestyle, my mood, and very useful information about trading stuff, yeah, in my group. So yeah, I guess you will not regret. So let's continue the trading. Let's open the deal to lower the price. Okay, let's select the workspace. Opening the deal comes with a trend and intersection of moving average and signal line of MACD happening from top to bottom. So we have to open the deal to lower. It's intersection of overbought area to stochastic, yeah, opening of second signal line yet to lower, and finally see the renewal local low. I guess exactly global price low to zigzag, yeah. It's downtrend. So after that pullback will open the deal coding the trend, yeah. It's 15 seconds left till the end of our deal, and let's watch. Last seconds, guys. The stochastic line has just intersected oversold area, so second deal is closed in the black. Let's change the trade value. Look, here it might be an interesting entry. We could open the deal to raise the price here with confidence into pullback of the trend because there was an exit to stochastic, and yeah, we could close it with gains with no worries. But these pullbacks happened and we saw the renewal of our local low, and in general we opened with a trend. It wasn't a fault, yeah, so we closed in the black. And guys, I want to distract you from watching this video once again because I can't help but tell about my VIP chat that signals from me personally with an accuracy of 70%. So guys, if you're a beginner in this field here and it's hard for you to trade yourself, just hear me now. I post the signals and the currency pairs at the time of the deal and direction up or down, and you repeat this on your devices. It may be laptops or smartphones, yeah, and just earn money with us. And almost every day I get a positive feedback from my traders in my VP group, so don't miss the chance to be a part of the team of privileged traders and to trade with us together. And text me if you want to join. I will respond to you with pleasure. So yeah, let's continue the trading and pick the next currency pair. We're gonna open the deal to raise the price here. We see that dynamic of the movement has an ascending character, and we can add technical analysis here. I think the movement must go up in the near minute, and I see resistance area for this place of the movement, and in general price needs to go higher to touch it here, and whether it pushes off this area and dynamic will go up. Local low was updated to zigzag, and zigzag shows that renewal of local high must occur. So what the price is doing now, it's going up, and we see the intersection from bottom to top to MACD, and we see the exit from oversold area to stochastic. So this is a signal to open the deal to raise, and let's watch the result. Last seconds and dynamic is not so hard, but we closed the deal in the black anyway. Let's change the trade value, and as we see, candle went up and signal was pretty cool, and the price is still going up, yeah. It it might be a reversal here soon, yeah. Because the price touched the resistance area for that price corridor, and yeah, as I said, price pullback must be formed, and the price bounced off perfectly from this resistance area, and it's clear to see, yeah, whether the price goes down or break of the level happens here, yeah. And I think pullback must happen too, but it's hard to say something of that candle. But yeah, let's watching the dynamic of the currency pair, and yeah, let's pick the next currency pair and choose the next trade entry. Let's open the deal to raise here again, and I pay attention again to my oscillators. This is the same way of entry as before. We see the intersection from top to bottom of the MACD. Histograms show volumes that we need, and we see the exit from oversold area to stochastic, and we also see the renewal local low to fractal and zigzag. So I will expect in the near minute the price dynamic that is going up. Yeah, it's about 20 seconds left, and you see the result of open deal. So what I wanted to see, finally a candle went up, and the last 10 seconds left till the end. As I said, trading with these oscillators and these trend indicators with that settings, no matter how you open deals, instead it's matter how do you consider the moving average and how do you see oversold and overbought area, to look at volumes that MACD shows you and histograms. So for the most accurate analysis, you need to look at support area and resistance area too. So yeah, let's continue to trade and pick out the next currency pair for the luckiest trade entry. Let's open the deal to raise here. Mostly I come to technical analysis and I see very good point of touching support area where price rebounds. And it must play its own role here, and the dynamic of the movement must go up next because of the intersection from top to bottom of moving average. So yeah, let's watch what happens next. In general, you see exit happens and the price shown very great dynamic. Candle went up and we see the intersection of moving average and signal line of MACD. So it's the last seconds till the end of the deal. And yes, the deal has been closed in the black. One more trade entry, so it's only going and intersection is coming up to stochastic, and as I said, we played a little ahead of the curve. So look now, I'll explain you why stochastic didn't get the point of oversold area. Okay, it's okay. We see a huge downtrend, so it will be right to make oversold areas 20, and if we see intersection areas 20, so we can see the intersection of oversold area. But thanks to the fact that we can trade with oscillators and we can visually identify the problem, so we put the value of 30 and let's pick out the final two deals to fix the result and open $2,000 deals, and yeah, let's pick the next currency pair. We'll open deals to raise the price. Yeah, two deals. I think pullback must go next, so let's select the workspace. We pay attention now to histogram right away. We see positive volumes in the section of moving averages and lines of MACD, and we see already the exit from oversold area to stochastic, and we see that local low was updated. Yeah, it seems like that. It can be seen from zigzag and fractal, so I guess pullback to this spot would be in the near 1 or 2 minutes. So yeah, let's watch it. Yeah, it occurs at the level that I mentioned. Last seconds of our two deals. And we again close the deals in the black. Pretty cool result. So pullback occurred and its upper and local high is being formed for the last place of the movement, and there was no any sign of them. So let's open 4 more final deals to fix the result. Very good dynamic of the movement I see. So yeah, let's continue the analysis and open the final deals. Let's open 4 deals with a trend, and the trend is more downward. Yeah, let's select the workspace now. As you see, it's renewal price high at this point. The dynamic of the movement pushed off again from this resistance area and it went down. Next, it's renewal local low to zigzag, so pullback of the price happening and the renewal local high to zigzag and the exit from overbought area. I guess this has take, and I believe the dynamic of the movement will go down. So the dynamic of the movement, this candle has gone down, and now we see that candle is giving a strong upward impulse at the last seconds of our deals. So let's watch. And yeah, deals are closed in the black. Super excited about this result. We opened 4 more deals and I wanted to stop now. I will fix that balance and I'm pretty confident and pleased about our trading today. Guys, give me feedback, please. How's that for you? How's the work of these oscillators? And please remember to subscribe to my Telegram and to my YouTube channels too. And if you're interested in trading, you can go to the link below the video and pay attention, please. It's not so hard as you might think. That's all for today. I have seen my really good strategy and I hope you liked it. So my dear, don't forget to click a like, leave the comments below the video, and of course I will be very pleased if you subscribe to my Telegram channel too. If you have any questions, just write me and I will try to help everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.